Shahul and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to take a look at products I've stopped using and why did that happen. Alright, but before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Come on guys, I've repeated this already for quite some time, so I think you get the hang of it already lah. Okay, come, let's get into it. Okay, so the first item is actually more of a line. It's the Midnight Recovery line from Kiehl. This is a bit of a shocking also lah, even for me, because I love Kiehl. Tapi I found out that this line has its own catch. Gitu. Some of the products that I use from this line is the Midnight Recovery Eye, this one, and this is the eye cream lah, and the Midnight Recovery Oil. So this is the night oil. Okay, why did I stop using these products? Because the line especially is filled with essential oils. Now, what are essential oil? Essential oil are basically oils extracted from plants and flowers, and it is used in a lot of things, and it is used for multiple purposes lah. Okay, so there are a lot of opinions on using essential oils on your skin or having it in your skincare. Usually essential oils are used in products, especially skincare products, as substitute for fragrance. Dia tak ada pose any actual benefits pun. Okay, some people claim that using essential oils on your face gives a lot of benefits. Okay, this is my personal experience with using a product that has a lot of essential oils. To be clear, this particular oil has around 12 essential oils in it. Okay, when I first started using it, it is mind-blowing, like a miracle like that lah. Memang amazing, ledak nak mampus. And then after I'm into my second to third bottle, I realized that every time I put this oil to sleep, and then when I wake up, there's always small bumps, like whiteheads or milia seeds. It will appear in the morning. So I'm like, oh, maybe because it's just my skin, because my skin type is acne prone skin. After a while of using it, and then I'm like, this keep on going on. Why not I stop this product? So I stop it, and then I substitute it with simple plain squalene oil. Simple plain squalene oil, and what happened? No any breakouts, even the small ones. I still have breakouts, but the breakouts are not caused by the products that I'm using. It's mostly hormonal acne and other stuff lah. So that's why I ended up replacing the squalene oil terus lah with the recovery oil, and I replaced the eye cream with this. This is the Estee Lauder eye cream. This is the travel size, the small size. Look how small it is. But it will last you quite some time because you don't actually use a lot pun, and it is better for me at least lah. Okay, the next item is the Vanilla Co cleansing balm. I used the sensitive skin version because that's the first time I tried a cleansing balm, so I don't want to take any risk. So I ended up taking the sensitive skin one lah. Perhaps it might work better, or it might reduce the sensitivity of my skin towards that particular product. Why did I stop using it? Because I found a better option, I guess. Okay, so now I'm currently using this All Clean Balm by Hamish. Why do I say that this is the better version of it? Because it does the same job with a lower price. Okay, besides that, I also like, okay, contoh for example this one kan, Allah kotor. Okay, dia bagi spoolie, and then dia bagi the cap. The cap yang ada dalam Vanilla Co punya jar tu, it's such a flimsy plastic and it gets dirty easily, and this one is like sturdy, and when you put the cap in, it fits right in, and then the spoolie is also sturdier than the spoolie that spoon, whatever lah, spoolie that they give in the Vanilla Co one lah. And you know, your cheap ass queen, of course she'll go for the cheaper version if they performs exactly the same kan. Alright, the next one is the tea tree line from the Body Shop. Okay, now I have a very bad experience from this particular line. Okay, so when I was in my uni days, I usually will have pimples lah, but that's mostly because of my bad lifestyle and my bad food intake, my busy schedule apa semua. So I was looking for a quick solution, and at that time memang this line, tea tree line, was hyped up for God knows why. It was all over Twitter, and then I saw like pictures of people recovering from pimples because of it. Little that I know that they suffer from severe acne, and I don't have severe acne. I have acnes like here and there, but I don't have it severely, and my problems mostly are hyperpigmentations, not acne per se. So bodoh-bodoh kan, pergilah beli the whole line. I didn't bought the whole line. I bought the toner, the cleanser, and then the tea tree oil. Okay, the tea tree oil serves, all of this works well, you know, the first few months using it, and then after I started using it longer and longer, I realized that my skin is dry. It's like dry. You can feel the tightness of my skin. And then after a while, the tea tree oil does not work on active pimples anymore. So I macam, okay, is this right? Is this how it's supposed to be? I macam, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, my skin! I macam tu. So I was like, okay, then I stopped using the toner. I just use the cleanser and then the tea tree oil occasionally lah when I have pimples. And then it is still the same. The tight feeling is still there, so I stop everything totally. I keep the tea tree oil just in case I have any pimples lah. I swap it with other cleansers, toners and all. And I realized I really wrecked my face. My moisture barrier was all over the place. I break out easily, and my skin turned from acne prone skin, oily, to acne prone skin, dehydrated. And it keep on producing oil as though it's oily, but it's super dry. It's super dry, and it feels very rough on the surface lah. And then I was like, I am not going to buy anything from this line. This is bullshit. I mean, like, it works for some people because they have very bad acne and it will calm it down instantly. But my skin does not need that bone. What my skin needs is just calming and more of a brightening ingredient because of my hyperpigmentation. So I ended up ditching everything lah. I go and do more research on what I should use, and I finally like settled down with my skincare routine for now. So that's why I stopped using the tea tree line lah from the Body Shop. Okay, the next item is a category lah. It's like a makeup category. So I stopped using eyeliner altogether, but that's solely on me lah, because it's not that I don't like the look ke apa, but I feel like I don't have the sturdy hands anymore to do eyeliner, because every time I do eyeliner it will take forever, I tell you. So I macam tak apalah. Lagipun because my lashes are long, it's like reaching up to Jesus. So bila I put my eyeliner, tak nampak pun macam there's no any difference, because my eyelashes will cover the eyeliner. So macam tak apa, I don't need eyeliner anymore. Usually people who use eyeliner because it will make their eyes look big, but my eyes are big already, so it's okay, no thank you. Macam tu. Okay, the next item that I stopped using is this. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Okay, why did I stop using this? Because for me, the coverage is not enough. I am a full coverage gal, so I love myself some concealer. So bila pakai ni kan macam kau tahu tak apa je sebenarnya, no, macam tu. So instead of using this, I'm using this. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind. It's from the same brand, but this is this one will cover your pimples, your dark circles, your cacat celah, your dosa, everything it will cover lah. So I would recommend you to go for this instead of this. But if you like medium coverage, I think this would work for you lah. And if you don't have like really a lot of things to cover and not like that dark circle, so I think this will work for you. But you know, if you like it, don't come at me. Okay, so the last item that I stopped using is this. This is a spray sunscreen from Supergo. Okay, why did I use it in the first place? Because I struggled in looking for a good sunscreen, because a lot of sunscreen I've tried already and most of it break me out. If not, it's too greasy lah, or too thick, too oily for me. So this one is easy because I can wear everything. I can wear my skincare, I can wear my makeup, and I just spray it on top of it. Now, I do know and I do feel that this is not enough for a good sun protection, but I do use it because I really don't have any other options, you know, to protect my skin from UV rays or macam tu. So after I found my holy grail sunscreen, I totally stopped using it lah. So of course, my ledak sunscreen now is the matte screen sunscreen from Supergo. This is amazing because it doesn't make my skin look greasy or oily, and it doesn't break me out, and it's also a physical sunscreen. This one is a chemical sunscreen lah. Macam this one, kalau I tak pakai makeup, I tak berani pakai sebab I know chemical sunscreen will break me out. So I gamble je lah keluar tak pakai sunscreen. Nampak tak how bad my sunscreen journey was until I found this one. Ni memang I boleh pakai with or without makeup, under makeup. I memang pakai lah. Macam ni, you cannot spray it under makeup, lepas tu you pakai makeup. It's, I don't know whether it gonna work or what, tapi I macam no, I macam tu. So that's why I stopped using it lah. Alright, so that is basically everything. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any bad experience with products, makeup or skincare, and if you stop using it or if you replace it with something better. Do let me know, okay? Don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.